Decades of technological advancements have led to the invention of some pretty great gadgets, and it doesn't seem like tech companies and engineers will be stopping anytime soon. In this video, we'll be discussing the 10 smartest gadgets that are on another level. These gadgets have really transformed our lives. Who knew you could make lawn duty easier, or spot exotic birds from your bed? You'll be most surprised to know about the gadget that can pick up your workout game and make getting that perfect look that much easier. You'll find links to all the products down in the description below, as always. Number 10. BIRDFY. We've got something for all the bird lovers out there. BIRDFY is an auto AI bird feeder cam. It allows you to view bird activities without ever having to trek into nature. The video is transmitted in 1080p quality with a 135 wide-angle camera. BIRDFY also offers protective services for your precious. If you've got an unwanted intruder, you can scare it away by pretty much saying "go away" through the NetView app. You've also got an alarm siren and a flashlight. It supports solar charging and features a night mode. It's also got an IP65 waterproof rating and a battery life lasting up to 12 months. BIRDFY allows you to view the rarest of birds without putting in much effort. Number 9. BEBIRD. BEBIRD's here to replace keys, cotton swabs, and hairpins as ear cleaners. It's a 2-in-1 ear cleaning tweezer and rod. It features robotic arm technology, which makes ear cleaning pretty hassle-free. BEBIRD features a 10 million pixel HD camera. You can view the footage on the app. It'll act as a guide, allowing you to be as precise as possible. The high-speed Wi-Fi chip transmits the video without any lags. BEBIRD poses no damage to your eardrum since it's got a rubber-coated and a round head for a tweezer. There's also a small shadowless LED light for better clarity. The comfortable grip allows for a 360-degree easy repositioning. What's more, BEBIRD comes with 12 different accessories. Overall, BEBIRD promises better ear care for your family. Number 8. LITZERO. LITZERO is the ultimate wireless controller for your devices. It can pair it with up to 8 devices at a time through Bluetooth. LITZERO saves you the trouble of having to hold your phone or touch the screen, since it functions as a touchscreen. It's equipped to provide high-sensitivity static touch with the patented technology. The best part's that one charge can last up to a shocking 72 hours. All hand controls are hassle-free and pretty easy to get down. LITZERO also features a mouse mode with a clicker. The multimedia mode makes listening to music a breeze, while the ebook saves you the trouble of flipping through pages. The device features a wearable design, so you won't find any problems while using it. Number 7. SPORTSMATE 5. If you're struggling in the gym, then SPORTSMATE 5 is exactly what you need. It's an exoskeleton that's essentially a wearable robot. It's extremely light compared to bulky contenders on the market. It features 2 powerful actuators over the hip area. They function to provide assistance when it comes to mobility. You can switch between the outdoor mode and fitness mode, each of them adapted to meet particular requirements. In the outdoor mode, SPORTSMATE 5 makes activities like hiking a breeze. It can last up to 3 hours on a full charge. Whereas when in fitness mode, the SPORTSMATE 5 helps you burn more calories as you adjust the resistance. Let's just say, this device will have everyone in top shape. Number 6. KINGMAKER. Game nights just got a whole lot of fun with the KINGMAKER in the market. KINGMAKER doubles as gaming as well as a dining table. It takes a minute to transform with the smart design topper system. Each topper has soft pads on the bottom, allowing it to easily glide across the table's surface. You can also set the atmosphere of each game with the inbuilt lighting changing from intense red to sky blue to calm green. You can easily adjust illumination with remote control. The table also comes with removable inserts, which include cup holders, wine holders, phone holders, token holders. There's also card slots and a special player's desk. The surface is covered by a removable playmat. The table's most distinguishing feature is the built-in wireless charger and 2 USB slots. All in all, the KINGMAKER is exactly what you need to take game nights to the next level. Number 5. GPD Pocket 3. The GDP Pocket 3 is an 8-inch mini PC. Though the size may have you doubting its usefulness, we assure you it packs a punch for it's fully modular and has everything you could ask for in a PC. It provides 1920 by 1200 screen resolution and has an Intel Core i7, alternating with the Intel Pentium Silver for a processor. The touchpad has 4096 pressure sensitivity level, allowing for original handwriting. Furthermore, the 1-second fast unlocking provides effective privacy protection. It also features a 1R camera of 2 million pixels and a backward foldable screen. You can hang it with 2.5mm screws. A great buy if we're being honest. Number 4. NOVABOT. Lawn duty's never been easier with a NOVABOT on your hands. It's an intelligent, automatic robotic lawnmower. The device features the latest technology, allowing it to trim multiple zones in a straight line. You can download the app on your phone and then find perimeter boundaries. It can mow up to 2,000 square meters and has a cutting height of 20 to 70 millimeters. NOVABOT features a 5-tops computing chop and an HD panoramic camera with advanced visual recognition, allowing it to avoid obstacles in its course. A millimeter radar sensor has also been added for more precise object detection. For mobility, the device features off-road tires, allowing it to traverse rough terrains. It's powered by an FOC brushless motor, which promises low noise operation. As for the cutting, it's got an adaptive cutting deck. All in all, if you're looking for the perfect lawn, then this is your device. Number 3. SPHERICAM. Next up, we have the SPHERICAM, which has truly revolutionized the world of VR for everyone. The SPHERICAM is the first 360-degree video recorder that employs 6 cameras. These cameras work in sync to create seamless 4K footage. It's no larger than a tennis ball and boasts of crystalline design. The body's made of anodized aluminum, allowing it to tough it out in the practical world. SPHERICAM can deliver 2.4 gigabytes per second of 100% uncooked raw video. It can support an FPS till 60. What's more, the camera makes post-editing a breeze as it features automatic real-time stitching. The device supports Wi-Fi and features 1 micro USB port, 8 tripod mounts, 4 microphones, and 6 micro SD card slots. The device also supports live streaming and houses a global shutter for a sensor. Number 2. SGNL. SGNL is here to give the Apple Watch a run for its money. With SGNL around your wrist, you can answer any phone call with just your fingertip. There's no need for an earpiece even. While the idea sounds pretty futuristic, it's very much real. The watch is equipped with 2 technologies, an actuator unit that generates body conductible vibrations. These vibrations travel all the way through your arm to your finger, allowing you to hear sound in your ear. To back up the actuator unit, there is an audio logarithm that acts as an amplifier. SGNL is connected to your phone through Bluetooth, and with the help of this technology, allows you to answer calls. The device promises video clarity in the noisiest of places, and even privacy since the sound's contained in your ear. Most importantly, SGNL saves you time when it comes to answering calls. Number 1. SLEEPLAB. SLEEPLAB promises good news for all the snorers out there. You wouldn't find technology more fit to finally solve the problem for you. This device uses the latest technology in the industry to address the said problem. It can easily attach to the bottom of your chin and help stimulate throat muscle, thus adjusting breathing, which is the core problem when it comes to snoring. There's a sound recognition tech that allows SLEEPLAB to pinpoint the source of the problem. By choosing between 36 levels, you can personalize the device for yourself. You can also connect it to your phone on Bluetooth mode and monitor your sleep patterns. As for the battery life, SLEEPLAB can last up to 20 hours and a standby mode that lasts up to 50 hours. Furthermore, it only weighs 10 grams, so you'd barely know it's while sleeping. The device is a great replacement for uncomfortable nose strips. Alright, comment down below which of these smart gadgets made your shopping list. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to TechJoint. See you in the next one.